How to put pictures on TikTok comments. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Then, go to the video you want to add comment in. Then simply, on the right side, click on the comment box. Here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. At the bottom right, you'll find a square shape. Click on it. Then you'll find all your photos open up. Simply click on the photo you want to add as your comment. Then you can type in whatever you want and then press on the arrow which is facing upwards. After you do that, your comment with a picture will be posted. And this is how to put pictures on TikTok comments. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.